How to activate Walmart MoneyCard. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Walmart MoneyCard. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to any of the search engine and search for Walmart MoneyCard. And once you click on that, you will be redirected to an interface of reloadable debit card account. And then what you gotta do is sign in with your account. If not already, you can click on activate your card. So all you need to do is simply type in your credit card information, the 16-digit card number that you have, type in the expiration date and your security code. If you're not able to redirect yourself or find this option of registration or activating your card, you can simply go to the search bar, type in walmartmoneycard.com/activation, and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Simply type down the credit card number, expiration date, security code, and click on continue. After that, you'll be asked for your full name, such as first name, last name, your address, phone number, email, stuff like that. Simply give the correct information and click on activate. And just like that is how you can activate your Walmart Money Card. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.